Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the app where you get notifications from that person. Once open, go straight to Search or Contacts and type their name. This saves time. Tap the correct result and open the chat or profile. Don't linger on general settings. You're looking for contact-specific options, so make sure you see the conversation header. It usually has an info icon, 3 dots, or a settings gear. Tap that to reveal per-person notification controls. Once in the contact settings, locate notifications or custom notifications and tap it. You'll see options like mute, custom tone, vibration patterns, and priority. Choose what fits your need. If you mute, set a duration 1 hour, 8 hours, or until you turn it back on. If you pick a custom tone, it helps you identify them instantly. Make sure to save or confirm changes, otherwise the app may revert to global defaults. You're almost done. Finish by testing the change. Ask the person to send a quick message or send one from a secondary account to confirm the tone or mute works. If you don't see the expected behavior, make sure app-level notification permissions are enabled in your device settings, then restart the app. Once done, if the issue persists, reset that contact's notification settings or reinstall the app. Just backup chats first. Remember, small permission blocks often cause the problem, so check those first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.